My name is Chris Newberry. I am an operations manager here at AIM MRO. AIM MRO is a company that distributes and manufactures repair materials for jet engines. The biggest impact for a manufacturing facility would be the automation of work orders. We issue 50 to 60 work orders a day, and in previous years, everything was manual. Priority was able to take us to the next level and make everything automated.
Now we've gotten it to where it's one button press. They get all the labels they need. No keystroke errors, no typos. It just streamlined everything.
They literally just have to release the materials. We save 2 to 3 hours a day. With PRT's help over the last 10 years, we've doubled the amount of line items that we shipped. We only have 2 people in shipping and receiving. The process has simplified so much. It's been fantastic. Priority was able to take our 2 companies, manufacturing and distribution, and merge them into one. The whole process was seamless.
We were able to take the data sets from all those other companies and merge them into one. Over 1 million data points moved and combined in one day. We've been working with Priority software over the last 20 years. The software package, it is so customizable. Priority software are always there to support me with whatever customization I need done.
The support you get from Priority and PRT is unlike no other. I mean, they're always there. They're fantastic.